Amazing sea animals and wild facts. Fun learning was at Kids. Step by Step. Hi friends, welcome back to At Kids. Step by Step, your home for fun animal learning. Today we're diving into the ocean and the wild to meet some of the coolest creatures on Earth. Ready? Let's go! Did you know giant squids have 3 hearts? One heart powers the whole body, and the other 2 just work for their gills. A big male bear, called a boar, can weigh over 400 pounds. That's heavier than a motorbike. Hungry turtles don't just eat veggies. Some love live food too. The Red Sea clownfish is super stylish with yellow, white, and black stripes. Fashion goals. Grizzly bears get their name from their gray-tipped, grizzled fur. Giraffes tower above the grasslands. Their legs are taller than most people. Crocodiles are top predators, sneaky, powerful, and always ready to snap. Great white sharks are older than dinosaurs. That means they've been swimming the oceans for over 400 million years. Cheetahs may look fierce, but guess what? They don't roar. They purr like kittens. Their families are easy to remember. Dads are bucks, moms are does, and babies are fawns. Pufferfish inflate like balloons to scare away danger. Surprise! Lions are the second largest big cats after tigers, but they win the crown for the loudest roar. A baby donkey is a foal. Don't confuse them, boys are stallions. Girls are mares. Monkeys swing with long tails, something apes don't have. The box jellyfish has venom so powerful it's one of the deadliest animals alive. Yikes! Meet the tiniest crab in the world, the pea crab, smaller than your fingernail. The famous blue tang, yes, Dory, lives in the Caribbean and can be a little sassy with its sharp spines. Every zebra has stripes like a fingerprint. No 2 are the same. Seahorses are ambush hunters. They stay still and slurp up food that swims by. Sneaky, killer whales love snacking on herring and small schooling fish. Teamwork makes the dream work in their pods. Baby dolphins can't breathe underwater. Just like us, they need to come up for air. Dogs aren't sea animals, but they've got an ocean of skills, super smell, and sharp hearing. The word rhinoceros means nose horn. Black rhinos even run on their tiptoes. Penguins use their feet like steering wheels underwater. Left turn, right turn, zoom. Wow! From squids with 3 hearts to penguins with staring feet, nature is amazing. Tell us in the comments, which animal was your favorite today? Don't forget to subscribe to At Kids Step by Step for more fun facts about sea creatures and wild animals every week. See you next time, explorers!